Important industrial and production engineering terms used in garments industry. SMV, standard minute value. It is the time required for a qualified worker to perform a task under ideal working condition without any fatigue. Formula of SMV. SMV is equal to observed time into rating factor plus allowance or normal time plus allowance. Example. If to complete a process observed time equals 45 seconds, rating factor equals 80% and allowance equals 15%, find SMV of this process. Solve. Here, normal time equals 45 times 80% equals 36 seconds. Allowance equals 36 times 15% equals 5.4 seconds. Thus SMV equals 36 plus 5.4 divided by 60 equals 0.69 minute. Capacity calculation. Capacity per hour equals 3,600 divided by cycle time. Example. An operator need 30 seconds to complete a process. Calculate per hour capacity of this operator. Solve. Capacity per hour equals 3,600 divided by 30 equals 120 piece. Takt time. Takt time equals available minute divided by customer demand. Example. If a factory have 4,500 available minutes per shift. Customer demand is 500 piece. Find takt time. Solve. Takt time equals 4,500 divided by 500 equals 9 piece per minute. Efficiency calculation. Efficiency equals produced minute divided by available minute into 100%. Produced minute equals unit product produced into SMV. Available minute equals manpower into working hour into 60. Example. A factory having 230 workers and produced 40,000 piece garments in 8 hours. If SMV of product is 1.93 minutes. Find efficiency of this factory. Solve. Produced minute equals 40,000 into 1.93 equals 77,200. Available minute equals 230 into 8 into 60 equals 110,400. Now, efficiency equals 77,200 divided by 110,400 into 100% equals 69.93%.
Swing line target. Line target on 100% efficiency equals manpower times working hour times 60 divided by SMV. Line balance percent equals SMV times bottleneck process manpower times 60 divided by total line manpower times bottleneck process average cycle time times 100%. Example. A swing factory having 23 workers in a line. If line run 10 hours in a day and product SMV equals 1.9 minute, find daily target of this line. Solve. Here, line target equals 23 times 10 times 60 divided by 1.9. Equals 13,800 divided by 1.9. Equals 7,263 pieces. Remember it as the target on 100% efficiency, which is impossible because no man or machine can work on 100% efficiency. Example. If a line consists of 23 workers, product SMV equals 1.9, bottleneck process manpower equals 3 and bottleneck process average cycle time equals 0.6 minute, Find balance percent of this line. Solve. Line balance equals 1.9 times 3 times 60 divided by 23 times 21 times 100%. Equals 342 divided by 483 times 100%. Equals 70.81%.